Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel, where we're diving into the awesome world of making stuff. I'm Suleiman Ahmed, and today we're going to explore the newest ways things are manufactured. It's like peeking into the future of how things are created. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of the cool things we're about to show you. Segment 1. 3D Printing Magic. Imagine making things layer by layer. That's 3D printing. But it's not just about making toy prototypes. Check out how 3D printers are creating real stuff, like super detailed airplane parts and even custom-made body parts for people who need them. Segment 2. Robots that build stuff. Robots aren't just in movies anymore, they're helping to make things. Watch how robots are assembling stuff like tiny electronics and even cars. They're like super precise building helpers. Segment 3. Smart factories of the future. Factories are getting smart, like really smart. Learn about factories where machines talk to each other and use clever computer brains to make things. They even know when something's going to break before it actually does. Segment 4. Laser cutting superpowers. Lasers are more than just cool lights. They can cut things super precisely. Check out how lasers are making tiny, detailed things like electronics and even cool designs on jewelry. Segment 5. Printing body parts. Seriously. Guess what? Scientists are using printers to make body parts. See how they're printing things like ears and even bones. It's like science fiction becoming real. Segment 6. Really small stuff with big ideas. Tiny things are doing big things. Find out how teeny tiny stuff is making super strong materials and even sensors that can feel things. It's like making magic with really small tools. Segment 7. Making things green and clean. Making stuff while being nice to the earth? Yup, it's happening. Discover how people are using recycled things and sun power to create things that don't hurt the planet. Conclusion. Wow, that was a journey through the amazing ways things are made today. From 3D printing wonders to robot helpers and even printing body parts, the future of making stuff is mind-blowing. If you had as much fun as we did, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your pals, and make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on more cool adventures. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep being awesome. Thanks for watching.